Hey guys, we're back again with another video as promised earlier. So I think we have a smart speaker this time around, and what we're going to do is we're going to try and see if this is something that you need at your home. We're going to talk about that. We're going to cover what's new with the speaker, and if somebody can pass that along to me, that would be great. Right about now. 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 Okay, peachy. Now. So what we have with us today is the Google Nest Mini. This is the second generation speaker from Google. This is the smallest, cheapest, and possibly a decent sounding smart speaker that you can get for your home. As per Google's marketing material, the Nest Mini now has twice the amount of bass, which would be nice. It's also now wall mountable, so I'm assuming that it has a small hole in the back of the speaker, which will allow you to hang it onto a screw. It also uses recycled materials from plastic bottles to make it more eco-friendly. The LEDs now light up when you come close, so it's nice to have that feature when you're using this, especially in a dark room where you want to come in close and control the volume on the speaker. The MRP at launch for this is $4499 or $50 in the US, and this is currently available for $3499 on Flipkart. The Google Nest Mini is also available in 4 different colors. What we have today with us is the chalk, or what usual folk call it as grey. We also have charcoal, which is black. We have coral, which is sort of like a mix between a red and a pink, and sky, which is, as I'm sure you would have guessed it, is a light blue color, which is currently not available in India. You can buy this on Flipkart or on Tata Click and in a couple of other places like Reliance Digital or on Chroma. And we bought this using a discount voucher from Times Prime, which allowed us to buy this for 2000 rupees, which I believe is a pretty good deal for the smart speaker. So if you're with us so far, that means you are liking what you're saying. So a like and a subscription to this channel would be awesome. So without further ado, let's get down to the unboxing of the second generation smart speaker from Google called the Nest Mini. So as I mentioned earlier, it has an MRP of $4499 or $50 in the US. And what else do we have here on the box? Okay, so you can start any command with OK Google and follow that with OK Google play music, OK Google play YouTube music. It also supports Ghana right out of the box. It does have a voice call feature, but unfortunately in India it's only limited to Google Duo, so you can't take your regular phone calls with it. You can also set it up with your Netflix account and also use it for smart lighting within your house using Philips Hue. What else do we have here? So this is how it looks, possibly in your home next to your bedside table. So let's see what's inside the box. A bit of a struggle. There we go. So we have the speaker itself, front and center. This is the charcoal variant black. It's got this nice fabric texture on top. I'm assuming that this is the recycled material that they are using to make these. On the back itself, it's got this dark gray color. It's a bit rubbery. I'm guessing this could be a dust magnet and a fingerprint magnet, but I don't really expect a lot of people to keep touching their speaker once they've set it up. We have a physical button to mute the microphone on this. If you simply want to use this as a Bluetooth speaker, you can do that. So here's the unwanted change that I was hoping won't be there, which is a lack of a USB port here to power the speaker. Instead, we have this proprietary connector here. So if I'm not mistaken, the first generation did have a micro USB port here, so you could use basically any charger and cable to power this up. But unfortunately, you can't do that now with this particular variant. We have a hole in the back which you can use to hang this up on a wall if that is how you prefer to hang your speakers, I guess. You could do that. That's pretty much it with the speaker. Let's put this aside for a second and see what else is inside the box. We have some literature. Says let's get started. Google. I believe the setup is pretty straightforward. For the speaker, you just need to download the Google Home app on your Android device and set the speaker up. As long as you have a common Wi-Fi connection at home or wherever you're trying to set this up, it's going to be a breeze to set up. What else do we have inside? This seems to be the power adapter. Yes, it is. It's a 2-pin power adapter, and it's got this Molex on the other end, which is a proprietary connection. Seems to be about 1 meter long. It's white in color. I'm not entirely sure as to how that would blend in a setup, which is usually my entertainment setup is completely black. So speaker is a great color, but this particular adapter is not exactly the brightest idea. Anyway, let's put this aside. Do we have anything else in the box? No, that's about it. That's all we have inside the box. And this is the Google Nest Mini, the 2nd generation, the smallest, the cheapest, and possibly the brightest sounding speaker of all the smart speakers that we have in the Indian market right now. Thank you for watching so far, and do like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.